Hello guys. Today let's learn about how to speed up our Windows 10 performance. So let's begin. Step number 1, disable unwanted startup programs. For that, go to Task Manager by clicking on any empty space on your taskbar and choose Task Manager from here. Go to Startup in it. Identify the programs you don't use much on daily basis and apply this process. Let me show you some examples. Step number 2. Defragment and optimize drives. To do that, you will go to Start menu and search Defragment and click on it. Now you'll see this interface. From here you'll select your system drive. Usually it is C drive, so let's select C and click on Optimize. Now you can see your system drive is optimizing. Once it's finished, you can close the window. Step number 3, delete unnecessary temporary files. For that, head over to Start menu and right click on it. Then choose Run from here. Now type %temp% and click on OK. Now select everything from here and delete. Step number 4, now click again on Run box and type temp and click on OK. Now again a folder will appear and here you'll see a dialog box. Click on Continue. Then select all files on it and delete. Step number 5, now again go to Run and this time type Prefetch. Now click on OK. Then Continue. Now select everything on it and delete. After that you can close the folder. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you. Like, share and subscribe.